Today we are going to do this story, The Third Label by Jack Finney. In this story we are going to do an unusual kind of situation. In this situation we find the main protagonist of the story, Charlie, and this person Charlie, who is the writer of the story, here we find he faces an unusual kind of situation, and he is narrating that while going to the metro station, that is Grand Central metro station, usually there were two levels, but as the story refers the third level, on a particular date he went to third level, and as generally that happens if you had gone to metro stations, there are so many entry and exit doors, so he was always confused from where he has gone out. If you had gone to Rajiv Chowk, you must have seen so many exit gates are there. Sometime you land up somewhere else, but this time that confusion was not of any exit gates. The confusion was regarding the level. He had actually gone down to third level, and in that third level now there is unusual kind of situation, that is totally a different kind of level from first and second. There he found the people, those who were moving around, they were putting on dresses of 19th century, and now he is bothered, and he saw ticket counter also, that was also very small counter, and old fashioned person was sitting at the counter having long mustache and beard. So he now wants to check out, had he had really gone in the past. So he goes to a nearby shop, and there was one newspaper, The World, and he found out the date on the newspaper, and that date was July 6, 1894, and now he was confirmed that he had gone into past. So he goes to the ticket counter and wanted to have two tickets, one for himself, another for his wife Louisa. But there the man who was sitting behind the counter, he says to Charlie, "Are you joking with me?" And now Charlie got to know that the currency that he was using, that currency is not valid. That's why this person is not happy in receiving that particular money. So he comes out from there and he tries to get old currency, and when he is trying to get old currency, after that having that currency back, he is not able to go to the third level. and he is telling the same situation to his friend Sam. And Sam, who was a psychiatrist, he is telling Charlie that it is possible that he is not happy with the present condition. That's why he is going into such kind of situations. People, those who are not happy, they generally go to the past situation. They listen to the old songs. They go for stamp collection and so on. So this is the thing that his friend psychiatrist Sam is telling. And writer is now giving the logic that his grandfather was a happy person, but he was doing this hobby of stamp collecting. And when he is seeing that stamp collection, he looks at the first cover. First cover means generally those who are collecting stamp, what they do, they paste that stamp on one envelope and they write their own address. So it is a self-addressed envelope that they drop somewhere in the post office and it comes back to your house. That is the first cover, we say. In that first cover there he finds a letter of Sam, and it is written to the grandfather, means it is of past, and Sam is telling that Charlie, you come here, and it is very nice, very peaceful, tranquil, and it is soothing rather than this hustle and bustle of life, this situation of fast world wars and this so much of hatred. And he tries to go after that to look after Charlie, and he finds that Charlie is not there. So now he is convinced that Sam, that psychiatrist friend Sam is not there, he is disappeared, and now he is convinced that he must have gone into the past. So this is the story. This is a kind of science fiction kind of a story. So this story is regarding the time travel. You must have seen so many movies also. So these situations are there in so many movies, you see. So he finds that letter and he finds there is date that is mentioned there, that is 18 July 1894. So you find this story is set between two dates, July, June 6, you have June and July, 2 months are there. One is 11 June 1894, that is the date when Charlie had gone into the third level. Then there is a letter from Sam that is dated 18 July 1894. So you find that is not so important. The basic thing is the time travel that you see in the story, and there are many logics. Then there can be question whether this is possible or not possible. So that is a higher level question generally you get in this examination. So first you go to this story. This is a simple story. A person goes to third level, and that third level means third platform. You find first and second, then third, if you had gone into the metro stations. So they are actually one story, second story, third story, going deep into the underground. So that third level is not actually there, but writer is saying it is there. So you cannot say that this is a true kind of situation. Generally these things happen in wild imaginations. So this is purely a fiction, not a reality, and you must support this kind of view only. Otherwise, you cannot have any clue or any logic or reason to prove your answer. So, that we will discuss tomorrow. What could be the answer and how will you write the answers and probable questions. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.